Welcome back everyone. In the last video I have discussed about family modifier, and I also discussed that with the help of family modifier we can pass only a single value, only a single parameter. But if you want to pass multiple values to a provider, then we need to create custom object that implements hash code and equality operator. In this video I will discuss how to pass multiple values by using the family modifier. Here what I have done, in the pubspec.yaml file I have taken a package that is equitable. After that, in the leaf folder I have created a file named as user.dart. This class is extending equitable, which I am getting from the equitable package. Here I have created two variables, name and address, and after that it is returning that name and address. Now in main.dart what I will do, you can see that here I have created that family modifier. Now this provider is of type string, but here I will pass a value which is of type user. Okay, and here it will take user. Now instead of this name, here I will print user dot name, or here what I can do is that instead of hello I can write name this and address user dot address. Fine. And inside the build method, here I need to pass that user object, user, and to this constructor here I need to pass the name, and here I can pass address. Now you can see here I am passing multiple values to the provider, correct? Now after this, if I save this, let me hot restart. Now here you can see, now the name is Amar and address is India. And this is how we can pass multiple values by using the family modifier, and that we can do by creating the custom object which implements the hash code and the equality operator. Thank you so much for watching.